We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is laid out, so my lighting is not very good, and I have a camera propped up, not on a tripod, but you know, we're gonna work with it. So you guys, today I'm gonna be decorating my front porch for Christmas, for winter. It's gonna stay up until the wind blows everything down, and then it's gonna start coming down. But I'm really excited to show you guys this. It's already done. I did it all day long. This is the first time I've actually decorated my porch for Christmas. It's a little silly because it's a rustic farmhouse type decor, and then my husband decorates with lights and blow up toys and blow up Minions and Paw Patrol and Santas and all kinds of stuff. So it kind of doesn't all flow together. But I try to keep all the other stuff out. So you couldn't really tell, but you guys, seriously, I paid under 20 bucks to decorate my entire front porch. I used items I had. The only thing I did buy was a Christmas tree. Other things I bought for a different video, so I did not add the cost of that in because I added it in later on. So that is why I say it is under 20 bucks, because I only bought a Christmas tree for $18. So without further ado, let's get going and I can show you guys what I did for my front porch for Christmas. So the first thing I start off doing is obviously sweeping everything up. We still had leaves here all over the porch for some reason. No, we always clean everything up, but winter came so early this year, or it like kind of snuck up on us just for a couple days in November. So some people didn't even get any of their leaves picked up. So the first thing I'm going to lay out is this sled. My grandma gave this to me this year as an early Christmas present. You'll see in my recent video, I just redid this and made a nice little swag or whatever you want to call. And then I'm just taking some branches I cut off from a pine tree and I'm just laying them on the ground. I really got inspired this year to do my front porch from Pinterest. I was looking up all these different kind of sled ideas, and they just laid a ton of pine branches on the ground and it looked so good. I had all these lanterns. I had this one in the house, but it just didn't really have a spot for it. So I thought it would look really cute out here. And then I also had another lantern that I leave out all year long, obviously except in the winter time or it's just gonna rust, but I had this out all summer and fall long. Next, I'm just going to be laying this crate on the opposite side of the door. This was on the other side, but I did change it around a little bit. This was my only buy on the whole entire porch this year, was this tree. I found this at Meijer. It was $18, which that seems so pricey, but I did the whole front porch for under 20 bucks, which I think that is awesome because this is the only thing I bought for the whole entire front porch. Everything else I already had. This bucket that I put the tree in, I actually got that from a garage sale a couple years ago for 10 cents. 10 cents for that cute little rusty old bucket. And I just set that right there next to the crate. This little Christmas tree farm bucket, that came from Dollar General this year. I think it was $6. It was inside my house and I thought I would just bring it out here, throw some of these pine branches in, and then I did find some birch wood on the ground. It must have just fell from this fall or winter, and I guess it's not even winter yet. It's so funny to think that. But it must have just already fell on the ground because it was already on the ground. I just kind of picked it up, cut it the way I wanted, and just stuck it in this bucket as well. I am not a huge buyer when it comes to rugs. I almost think they are stupid and not worth spending money on just because they get so filthy and so dirty. So I had that one I just laid down from the fall time. It was $7 from Gordman's. And this 'Tis the Season rug was from Walmart last year for like $3.97. I had this old window stuck in the garage, and my neighbor actually gave this to me, and I never knew what to do with it, and I thought for some height on this side, I would just add it to the back of the pine tree.
Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And then I'm just going to be adding this little snowman to the bottom of the crate. I didn't know what else to put in here. I cannot remember where this came from, but it says welcome on there. And then I'm just hanging this wreath that I made in a recent Christmas Trash to Treasure video. I'll leave all these videos linked below so you can check that out. But I love the way this one looks, and it says welcome, so it's perfect for the front door. You guys, that's it for my front porch decorate with me video. I hope you liked it. This is the first time I've actually ever decorated our porch for Christmas or for the winter time. I absolutely love the way this looks, and I hope you guys do too. If you liked it, like I said, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas or whatever holiday you guys do celebrate. But that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.